Hello guys, so today we'll talk about erosion and deposition. So let's get started. Recall that process of weathering breaks rock and soil into smaller pieces, but never moves it. The removal of weathered rock and soil from its original location is a process called erosion. Erosion can remove material through a number of different agents, including running water, glaciers, wind, ocean currents, and waves. These agents of erosion can carry rock and soil thousands of kilometers away from their source. After the material are transported, they are dropped in another location in a process known as deposition. So let's first talk about the gravity's role. Gravity is associated with many erosional agents because the force of gravity tends to pull all materials downslope. Without gravity, neither streams nor glaciers would flow. The effects of gravity on erosion by running water can often produce dramatic landscapes with steep valleys. For example, the Fall Creek Falls in Tennessee. Moving water is perhaps the most powerful agent of erosion. Dun dun dun. And remember, moving waters include rivers and streams and wave action. Stream erosion can reshape entire landscapes. Stream erosion is greatest when a large volume of water is moving rapidly, such as during spring thaws and torrential downpour. Water flowing down steep slopes has additional erosive potential resulting from gravity, causing it to cut downwards into the slopes, carving steep valleys and carrying away rock and soil. Water that flows swiftly or in large volumes can independently carry more material. The Mississippi River carries over 400,000 metric tons of sediment each day from thousands of kilometers away due to the volume of water in the river. Erosion of materials also occurs along the ocean floor and at continental and island shorelines. The work of ocean currents, waves, and tides carves out cliffs, arches, and other features along the continent's edges. Just as shorelines are built by the process of deposition in some areas, they are reduced by the process of coastal erosion in other areas. Changing tides and conditions associated with coastal storms can also have a great impact on coastal erosion. Human development and population growth along shorelines have led to attempts to control the erosion of sand. However, efforts to keep the sand on one beachfront disrupt the natural migration of sand along the shore, depleting sand from another area. Glaciers left their mark on much of the landscape, and their erosional effects are large-scale and dramatic. Glaciers scrape and go out large sections of Earth's landscape. Because they can move as dense, enormous rivers of slowly flowing ice, glaciers have the capacity to carry huge rocks and piles of debris over great distances and grind the rocks beneath them into four-sized particles. Glacial movements scratch and grind surfaces. The features left in the wake of glacial movement include steep U-shaped valleys and lakes. Wind can be a major erosional agent, especially in arid and coastal regions. Such regions tend to have little vegetation to hold soils in place. Wind can easily pick up and move fine, dry particles. The effects of wind erosion can be both dramatic and devastating. Dun dun dun. The abrasive action of wind-blown particles can damage both natural features and human-made structures. Winds can blow against the force of gravity and easily move fine-grained sediments and sand uphill.